Good morning. Okay, kararating na, excuse me. Kararating lang namin galing sa sa doctor appointments ko. Medyo nga na late kami. Pero natuloy din yung appointment ko. 3 months from now, kaya from ngayon, March, April, May, June. June ang sunod na appointment ko. Okay, tama. March ngayon, March, April, May, June. Okay, June. Alexa, what day today?
It's Monday, March 9th, 2026.
March 9 pala ngayon. Okay. So, sunod, yan ang appointment ko din. March, April, May, June 9, sunod kong appointment sa doktor ko. Yan. Umalis kami, wala pa akong kain. Ay, gutom ako. Kaya nagluto na lang ako ng itlog, may bawang sibuyas, kamatis. Yan ang aking breakfast ngayon. Yan ang ko, appointments. Yan ang ko ngayon. Vlogs ko na ngayon. Dahil sa appointment ko. Kaya, yan. Walang padang asin. Akalain mo, 170? Dati 100 ako ng 19, dati, 76. 176 ang bigat ko. Ngayon 170 na, nadagdagan. 166, 67, 68, 69, 70, 4 pounds ang nadagdag. Ngayon 170 na ako. Nadagdagan ang aking bigat. Kaya pala sobrang laki ko. Kaya yan ang yan ang aking ngayon. May kulang ng asin, walang asin. Tapos black pepper, walang black pepper. Yan. Kaya gutom talaga ako, sobra. Kakain sana kami doon sa restaurant, kaya lang sayang ng pera. Ang mahal ng pagkain doon. Minsan naabot $40. Dito na lang. Sobrang naman ang mahal. Ito ang aking kainan. See? Kamali. Para hindi na ako maghugas. Kasi ako nahugas, di Yeah. Paborito kong ano. Sabi doon ng yung babae doon sa ano, sa
Oh, you're having snacks already.
yeah. You know what the old lady said beside me? Said, "Oh, I can guess what is your favorite color."
You should have said rainbow.
And then I said, then she told me, yeah, your favorite color is red. So yeah.
Mhm. Well, I'm gonna soak up my dishes.
Um, then I told her, and purple.
Mhm.
I think she said, red and blue are purple.
That's right. That's correct in the color. That's the right color combination. You mix red and blue, you get purple.
Wow, I didn't know that.
Mhm. That's exactly the right color combination. If you mix red and blue. Just like when you mix yellow and blue, you get green.
What is it?
If you mix yellow color with blue, you get green.
Really?
Yep. I've been painting for a long time, so I know all my colors, mixing my
Oh.
colors. Eh?
It's still cold out there. When it's a little bit warmer, I'm gonna do my gardening.
Well, I wanna take all the dead plants that are not.
Don't pull it, just
No.
cut it.
No, we're gonna cut it up, compost it, and reuse it.
Don't just do it like that.
No, I take it out and I shake the dirt. I take the
Because
take it
some
off.
of them are,
when
you know,
they're old and they're broken.
because some of my plants is they come back the next day
No, I'm talking
and the
about
next month.
next year. But listen to me. I take them out, and any dead roots, I just tap them with the garden tool. Just tap them a little bit, and the dirt falls off back into the ground, onto the
Mhm.
garden, and then I compost the rest.
Thank you.
I know how to do it. Don't worry. I'm very good with.
But don't pull my plants, just cut it.
No. I mean, some needs to be cut. Some needs to be taken. If they're something that's not going to grow back, and it's.
No, all my plants are go back.
Yeah, I know, but I'm talking about the ones that we planted.
They
The
go
things
back.
that we planted, if they're not growing back, we'll just trim them and cut them or
No,
whatever.
they go back.
We'll see.
So don't they just pull it or
No. I mean, I've trimmed some stuff before. I've had to because it's got too long. And you can get the snippies and clip it and snip it and whatever. It's good to grow a little bit wild.
I'm gonna trim the other bushes there.
Uh-huh. Give the bushes a haircut.
I can believe it, I'm 170 pounds now.
Is that what they said?
Mm-hmm.
They say 170, 175. Well, whatever.
170.
Well, that's about 5 pounds difference. That's okay. It's okay. It's better than, at least you're not 100 pounds heavier than the last time. Because then you'd be 275 pounds. That would be too much. You wouldn't be able to move.
I wonder what make me fat.
Well, sometimes people stress eat when they're uptight, upset. Sometimes people will do that. They'll stress eat a little bit, you know.
I'm avoiding stress. I'm avoiding people that gave me stress. That's what the doctor said. Stay away from stress. There's negative people around me. Stay away.
Mm-hmm.
the reason why my mama's life so quick, because instead of making mama happy, make her stress,
That's
give
why
her
that-
stress.
That's why a lot of people. That's why a lot of people go to places like a batting cage where they can sit there and the ball is there and they can hit it there with a bat and hit it, or golfing cages where they can sit there and hit a ball so they can just do something just to preoccupy their mind, hit something and get their frustration out. And they also get exercise on top of it. So that's why a lot of people would do that for sport and stuff.
So that's what happened to mama.
I mean, I
She,
can understand why people do that, and they actually do get a lot of
She was,
walking.
listen, let me talk for a minute, Al. The reason why mama died so fast because someone sent her Red Cross. They even sent the police to mama.
What the heck for?
In the,
Just to cause trouble?
no, you like
No, I get it. But
and
it's-
then instead of making mama happy, stressing her out.
well, of course.
Even the surroundings. If even the surrounding of the play, for example, the play is very stressful, you die so fast.
Mhm.
So that's what happened to mama.
Well, the thing about it is when you have a certain goals in life, and people keep interfering with your personal life and trying to bring you down and alter the course of your life, a lot of people don't realize that if you leave people alone and you respect what they're doing and support what they're doing, that's a good thing, because that means,
What's wrong with your eyes?
what's wrong with my eyes? My eyes are fine.
Oh, okay.
Or just maybe I was looking down or looking up, whatever. That means if you're supporting what people are doing and you help them and you give them good advice and not bad advice, give them the right to say, hey, you know, like this ask them whether, do you think this will work for you, or this is a good idea, and then you know, don't give them negative feedback. Don't make it so that they stumble and fall and do something wrong that they don't like. And afterwards, they'll remember that. So if they have success, see, this is how.
It's okay, Al.
If they have
yeah.
success, they'll remember you. Remember your kindness. But anyways, go ahead. Sorry about that, but you know, I understand. That's why your mom.
So if, for example, if someone is stressing me out, all right, yeah,
Well, yeah, everybody gets stressed.
I'll get, I'll just like that.
If you're stressed out, you're one of these people that are.
So
You're a very creative person.
that's
so
what
you-
the doctor said to me. Stay away from stress. Stay away people that very negative, stressing me out.
Mhm.
Just stay away. And don't and you know, but just stay
No,
away.
I understand. I get
Yeah.
it.
So anyway, guys, my vlog's almost finished. So thank you,
You
guys.
record for 2 minutes or 3 minutes? How long do you record for?
15 minutes.
Oh,
Thank
wow,
you.
really? I
Thank
usually-
you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much. God bless everyone. Thank you.
Yeah, I usually
Yeah.
if I record something, it's like 3 minutes, 5 minutes, not less than 10 minutes, because my average stuff is just a short span. I don't make my stuff too long, because most audiences will just watch short videos. Now it's a short video seems to be the thing, except for some of them that are joined together and make if it's a series, then they just do short clips and they put it together. Nowadays, then you have to pay for it. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Yeah.